Hi and welcome to today's session on the probability scale. So when we are talking about probability, we actually use these in every single day of our lives, the possibility, the chance of something happening. When we're talking about probability, we're actually trying to use facts or use an experimentation to try and predict the event or multiple events taking place. We can use this scale here to describe our probability or show or represent our probability. And our scale in description terms go from impossible to certain. So something that's impossible is my name is Bill, which is certainly impossible. And the certainty is my name is Gary, which is a certainty. In between there, we've got a 50-50 chance of something happening, which is an even chance. So an even chance may be a flip of the coin landing on the heads because there's two possibilities of outcomes. In between impossible and even chance, we've got unlikely. And in between even chance and certain, we've got likely. So something that's unlikely is maybe win the lottery, where the chance is all the way down here. So it's not impossible, but it's certainly less than an even chance. And maybe something that is likely would be something like maybe Wolverhampton Wanderers being the greatest football team in the world. It's certainly not certain, but to me, it's more than an even chance. So we can actually show probability scale as decimals numerically rather than just descriptions. So in decimal terms, impossible is 0, certain is 1, and in between those, we've got 0.5 for the even chance. Underneath unlikely, we've got 0.25, and underneath likely, we've got 0.75. We can show these as percentages. So as percentages, we've got 0 and 100%, and in between there, we've got 50%, unlikely, 25%, and likely, 75%. For those of you who know your percentages, obviously with the decimals, we just multiply these by 100, and they give us our percentages. And we can also show these as fractions, which is the more normal way of showing probability. So again, we've got 0 and 1 for impossible and certain. Our even chance is a half. So there is a 1 out of 2 chance of something taking place. Unlikely, we've got a quarter, which is half of a half. And underneath likely, we've got 3/4, which is halfway between a half and a 1. Or if we add our half plus a quarter, that gives us our 3/4. And that is our numerical probability scale and our descriptive probability scale. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.